What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Spice, and I'm back with another video. Good morning, guys. It's early in the morning, about 9:30. I've been out here about an hour working on another truck, man, for a guy. Man, I apologize if it's foggy or blurry or whatever. But listen, man. Hey, man, I hope everybody being blessed. Hope everybody's having a good end of the year, man. Happy holidays, everybody, man. And listen, before we get into this today, man, I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on, man. I want y'all to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. Make sure you got that notification bell clicked on gray so you won't miss any content I got coming for you guys in the near future of this channel, man. And listen, drop a comment down below, man, if you got any comments, questions, or concerns on this channel, man. We talk back and forth, baby. That's how we get this stuff done in this car community, man. You gotta communicate, man. But listen, man, y'all hold on. I'm gonna turn the camera around and let y'all see what we got going on. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. It's the project we got going on today, y'all. I think this is 2006 or 2008 Chevy 3500 flatbed. Pretty damn clean, if you ask me. Somebody ripping. But yeah. Anyway, it's pretty darn clean, man. That boy ripping on that thing, man. But yeah, man, what we got going on today with this thing here, man, it's a buddy of mine. He just bought this thing. Finna put some hot shot going on with it and finna put it to work. So what we doing today is transmission going out in it. So you know what I do. I'm doing what I do best. I got both of the drive shafts out, half drive shafts. And now I'm finna get started on busting these bell housing bolts down, these torque converter bolts, and get the transmission lines off, get the park neutral safety switch unplugged, and snatch that transmission cross member out. But yeah, man, that's what we got going on today. Big 6-0. We got the big boy in here, as some of y'all should know already. Hold on. Got the big 6-0 in here. Yes, sir. Yeah, 06 6-0. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of work to this thing too, man. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Had that bell clicked on so y'all won't miss anything, man. You might learn something, man. You might learn something. You see I got it blocked up. And yeah. Let me take y'all around and show y'all what we got. This the new transmission and torque converter he just got from the junkyard, but he got duals on it. I think those are flow masters, if I'm not mistaken. But I got the drive shaft out. Transmission leaking like a stripper. And I'm finna get this son up out of here, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna take y'all with me through this one, baby. Yes, sir. Somebody gonna learn something. Somebody got a tow truck they need to learn how to do some stuff too. Yes, sir. I'll be right back with y'all, man, with some progress. Yes, sir. I got that boy out here in the cut. Yeah. Ooh, we got a new puppet too, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, hold on, man. I'm bringing y'all back with that good content, baby. Yes, sir. All right, YouTube. I'm back, baby. I got this son bitch busted down, man. Just got the transmission out. Let me turn the camera around and let y'all see what we got going on, baby. All right, y'all. Y'all see it. That's the old transmission right there. She all nasty. What I'm trying to do now is get that park neutral safety switch off, get that transmission mount off, put it on the new one. Right there. And yes, sir. I'm getting it done. All right, y'all. Let me get out because we got some neighbors doing some copyright. And I'll bring y'all right back on the next process, baby. The next step, fourth quarter game. Yes, sir. Let's get it, baby. Your boy Jay Spice, man. YouTube. It done got dark on your boy Jay Spice, man. But guess what? I got that transmission in. It's moving. And I'm about done. It's dark. But I done made that money. I done wrapped it up. Man, let me show y'all. Let me turn this camera around. It's dark, man, as y'all can see. But I'm gonna turn this camera around. And let y'all see what your boy do. One day turnaround, transmission job, 480, Chevy 3500 Silverado. You dig, flatbed. Get it done in the front yard. I ain't playing no game. Watch this. All right, y'all. You see, that's the transmission I took out, right? I done got everything up. That's that old bad mother. I done got everything up and everything back in there. I done got everything up and everything back in there. Excuse my phone, man. It's foggy out here. But yeah, you can see the flywheel right there. I got it back in. Drive shaft and everything like that back in. And now what I'm doing is, he had a broken, man, my camera's fogging away. Hold on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right. He had a broken heater hose fitting, right? That sun gun was broke out of there. So that sun gun broke like that. So what you gotta do is to replace these heater hose fittings, and I'm replacing the inside one. So you know, you gotta get you one of these sun guns right here. One of these removal tools, these heater hose removal tools. And it's just like one of them fuel line tools too, removal tools. It's the same thing, man. You just slide that sun gun on there. You just slide that sun gun on there from the back. It's hard to do this with one hand. Slide it on the back. Slide that sun gun in there. It got a groove on it. Once you get it in there, you know what I'm saying, it slides off of right there. And once you get that sun gun off, you can replace it with your fitting and be done. And just so y'all know, man, part number is 800409. Yes, sir. A little black fitting like that. All right, y'all. I'll bring y'all back right before I'm about to leave this thing. I got the truck right here on the highway, you know what I'm saying? Getting it done. Yes, sir. Your boy J Spice. Y'all hold on, baby. We finna close this thing out. 4th quarter, baby. Yes, sir. All right, YouTube. Got everything put back in. Got the heater hose fitting put back on, as you can see. And now, let's see if we can fire this thing up. Let's see if she moves. Ooh. Oh yeah. Let's see if she moves. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. 3500 Chevy transmission job done. Done. Oh yeah. These boys can't mess with me, man. I'm one day. I started by 9:30, 10 o'clock. And I'm on it. Yes, sir. Man, it's your boy J Spice, man. I done wrapped up another job, man. Another Chevy. I done told y'all, man, you better mess with your boy, man. I get it done. I ain't got time for no games. I ain't got time to be lingering around. If you pay your boy right, I get you in and I get you out. You dig? Hey, man, it's your boy J Spice. I want everybody to be safe. Everybody to stay blessed, man. I appreciate all my supporters, all my new supporters, man. Y'all make sure y'all keep clicking that bell, man. Hey, man, I'm loving talking to everybody, man. I'm loving the comments, man. Communicating with everybody in the community tab, man. Listen, man. Hey, man, I wouldn't be nothing without y'all, man. Y'all motivate your boy to put out these videos, these good content. Listen, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all. It's your boy J Spice, man. I'm finna get to the house, go pick up my little crew, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.